Hey everyone, running PHP on localhost is cool, but the real win is seeing your project live on the internet. In this video, I will show you how to host a real PHP plus MySQL project online for free in 2026 using InfinityFree.com. And we'll deploy a sample project that fetches users and products from a database. If you are building practice projects, portfolio, or client demos, this is exactly what you need. This is the project we are going to upload. Our index.php file does three things: print a test PHP message, connects to the database, fetches users and products dynamically. At the first line, you get to see PHP syntax, where you see the echo next and the include, which is connected to the com.php file. Below, you get to see the basic HTML syntax, and we have the products being selected from the database, being fetched from the database. Also, below that, we have the user same procedure. Database connection file, com.php. This file handles the MySQL connection, connecting you to the database, and a if statement, also with an else statement that tells you if it's connected successfully or not. Creating free hosting on InfinityFree. Let's move this project online. Go to InfinityFree, create a free account, create a new hosting account, choose a free subdomain if you want to, or you could go with the default. Open the control panel after creating the subdomain. Once inside, you are ready to upload files and create databases. Now let's upload PHP files. Let's upload the project. Open File Manager. Navigate to htdocs. You might already be in htdocs. Upload index.php and com.php. The PHP files must be inside htdocs or they won't work or they won't run. So let's create MySQL database on InfinityFree. To make the project work, we need a database. Absolutely. Go to MySQL databases, create a new database. Save the database name, username, and password. Now open phpMyAdmin. In phpMyAdmin, run these SQL commands in the SQL tab. Here we have the create table users and create table products. The ID, name, and email for users, the ID, name, price, user ID, and foreign key for products. Next up, we need to insert sample data. Uh, we have the insert into users, where we have name, email, and the values. Also, we have insert into products, where we have name, price, user ID, and the values. Okay, so right away, let's test our live website. Open your domain in the browser. If everything is correct, you will see hello PHP server, a list of products, a list of users. That means PHP is working, MySQL is connected, your project is live. InfinityFree is great for practice, student projects, demos, portfolios. So it's not ideal for heavy traffic, production apps, and paid platforms. And that's how you host a real PHP plus MySQL project online for free in 2026 using InfinityFree. Next video, we'll be doing something amazing. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.